Okay, well, this is to hope for the first video of the day. I'm expecting more. This is a vintage 300 with smoke, the flyer smoke, as you can see. I put a next generation smoke board on it, but we got a little leak out the side. You may not be able to see it, but I can. And anyway, we'll be working on that. And the chassis is holding together. I got the all-wheel pickup, the 3D printed chassis, new control board, volt regulator, volt rectifier, AC to DC, and then the volt regulator for the smoke. I am just experimenting with my smart smoke. It has a temperature sensitive setting, and if it gets too hot it shuts down, and my smoke is shutting off. And I don't have my heat sink on here. There's a finned aluminum part that you can put on here that dissipates the heat better, and it's not on right now. And I was just experimenting. I just blew on it a little bit, and it came back to life. So I'm thinking that's what I need to work on. See how it works there. See, just went away. So we'll get to that and tighten up that leak. This is a version. It's not the final. As you can see, it's not in perfect alignment of this. The idea of the ash pan. It comes along the lines of the motor, and it hides the side view. I do prep red in for my parts, so I know that they're test parts. They're not real, okay? All of these are test parts, but the design is in the machine. So and then I change the filament, and I print silver or white or black or whatever I want, and that lets me know it's the final. So if I wonder if I put an ice cube on that. Ooh, yeah, it's warm. Okay, and I just blew on it. So I think just a little bit of heat sink will take care of it. Okay, here we go. This is the short one. This is the up and running Atlantic. I could put it on the rails and let it run. That may help it cool down. I may do that after lunch. We're going to have lunch here shortly. I'm going to try to convert at least one more engine today with this setup, so you can see how easy that is and what you can and can't do to do that. All right, later, gang.